Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use CPAGrip. Now this is a complete beginner's tutorial, so this is very easy and make sure to follow the steps as I show you. Now first, all you need to do is go to your computer browser and head on to cpagrip.com. Now once you have done that, just click on register right here and it will automatically lead you to the sign up screen right about here. So all you need to do is to enter your first name, your last name, and you don't need a company and a website, and just enter the address that you are currently residing in and the country that you are in, and the city and the state or region you are currently at, and the postal code. And make sure to enter also the phone number, and you need a Skype. So if you don't have a Skype, just sign up for Skype, and of course copy the IM name of your Skype and of course paste it right here. Now under publisher type, make sure to click on email right about here, or you can enter website or instant or GPT or some other. So for now, I'm just going to enter email right here. And of course, enter a valid email address because you need to verify your email address for CPAGrip. Next is to enter a unique password, and you need to confirm the password, and of course, choose a time zone where you are currently at. Now, where did you hear about us? You can just enter YouTube tutorial, or you can enter Facebook or any social media links that you've heard about CPAGrip. Now once you have done that, just click on the three boxes right here stating that you have agreed the terms of services, and you have agreed that you will not complete the offers for myself, and so on and so forth. So once you have done that, just click on register now, and it will automatically lead you to this dashboard right here. So as you can see, I have already created my account right here. So this is my affiliate number, and the first thing you will notice under the home of CPAGrip is the chat box. So as you can see, these are the people who have earned in CPAGrip. So as you can see, this one says right about here. For example, Vicky has earned $52.58 all time with 57 leads, and another one has earned like this. Mod X 3 has earned $19,278.26 all time with 12,257 leads. So as you can see, CPAGrip is very legit. So for those of you who are asking, CPAGrip is legit. And to get started, all you have to do is go to offer tools right here and click on my offers. So as you can see, once you click on my offers, you have a lot of offers you can actually promote. So for now, you can become a millionaire, and the payout is 0.10 cents, and you have a lot of offers right here. So for now, I'm just gonna select this one right here. You can become a millionaire, and as you can see right here, your email address must be verified to access these features. So first things first, all you need to do is to verify your email address. So for now, to verify your email address, all you need to do is go to account settings and send you validation email, and go to the email that you have currently used in registering CPAGrip. So this is the email right here, and I'm just gonna click this link so that we will be verified. So as you can see, we are now verified. So I'm just gonna return to publisher dashboard right here so we can get started on making offers. So for now, as you can see right here, let's go back to offer tools and go to my offers. And there you have it. We have a lot of offers right here. So I'm just going to select this one right here. And as you can see, this is the link. So all you need to do is to copy this link right here. And you can now start posting this to any social media websites for now. So as you can see, this link is very long right here. So I'm just going to go to this website right here. That is tinyurl. Right about here. So this is a website for shortening your link. So I'm just gonna enter my long link right here, and I'm gonna shorten link right here. So for now, as you can see, this is the link that we have currently shortened. So I'm just gonna copy this link right here. So you can see it says success. Now what I usually do is go to Facebook, and under Facebook, I'm just gonna search for a group that says free giveaways or free stuff. It's all up to you. As you can see, there are a lot of groups right here, so I'm just gonna go to groups right here, so it will filter down. So as you can see, there are a lot of groups and some of them are public. So I'm just gonna select a group right here that has a lot of members right here. And now what you want to do is, you should not post this one in your link right here, or you should not post this one in the group. What I do is go to people, and of course, as you can see, there are a lot of peoples right here, or persons right here. So what you want to do is to select a certain people or a certain profile of a person. Like for example, I'm just going to select right here, and of course we can now message right there and just paste this link, or you can just say, hey, I have a free giveaway for you, you can access it right here, and just simply paste the link, and you can now send it to this person. Now if you do this for around 100 people or 200 people, and for example around 30 of them will answer the link or will go to the link, you can now earn a certain amount. So for that, this is really good right here. You have a payout of 0.10 cents. Now if you want to see what is this link about, I'm just gonna go to this link. So as you can see, my computer prevented this one because of my antivirus. So if you click on that, you will lead to this link right here, and if a certain people will enter the link or will successfully register to that link, you will now earn a payout of 0.10 cents. So I guess that's it for this video, and basically that's the gist of it on how you can use and how you can earn using CPAGrip. So if you have some comments, suggestions, or some questions, you can just type it in the comment section below. So with that, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!